The Green Man. I often notice this cheerful face on my walks with the dog, and it always brings a smile to my face. The feeling that his face is always somewhere to be found in nature is quite refreshing. He is very ancient, and as of this, he is a pre-Christian symbol. He is also found carved onto pieces of wood and stone, medieval cathedrals and churches, and ancient pagan graves and temples. He was also used as a Victorian architectural motif all the way from the west of Ireland to the east of Russia. The earliest one is in Rome. However, the Green Man spread even more widely across Europe when the Christian Church adopted this pagan symbol. No one knows exactly why the Christian Church did adopt this pagan symbol. However, folklorists believe that the Green Man symbolizes mythical rebirth and regeneration, which became linked to Christian resurrection. Although the Green Man seems to be a Celtic symbol, no one knows this for sure. The name Green Man only dates back to 1939, when a folklorist, Lady Raglan, made a connection between the foliate masked faces and the mythic tales of the Green Man, sometimes also known as Jack the Green. The name is now widely used, but the actual connection that was made is still debatable. The goddess most associated with the Green Man is the Black Earth goddess. So whenever you are out and about, keep your eyes open for the Green Man, for he will be around somewhere. That is all for this episode of the Witch's Crypt Files. Do come back to see me in the next episode. Merry part.